Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove optimizing search and Siri on iPhone after iOS 27 update. So guys, if you are updating your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27, and now you are facing this settings or this message on the settings of your iPhone, here I will show you how can you get rid of this. So guys, basically if you want to get rid of this message, you have to simply connect your device with a fast internet connection to complete this optimization on your Apple device. So guys, simply connect your device with a fast internet connection and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then restart your device for one time as well. So guys, simply restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply wait for some time, and after this process will be completed automatically. So guys, you have to simply wait for some time and then it will be completed automatically. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.